is someone who develops his own business idea and acquires capital to start the new venture.
So for me, entrepreneur is a person who identifies a problem which is prevalent in the society, tries to do a research on that particular problem and tries to come up with a solution for that. And they bring up solutions which are really innovative and bridges the gap between the problem and the society.
I feel an entrepreneur is someone who finds creativity in small things and innovates new product or services which can be beneficial for the society as well. An entrepreneur is someone who is always ready to take up new challenges.
Who is an entrepreneur? If you look for the definition, it says a person who sets up business or businesses taking on financial risk in a hope of profit. But it goes more than that. They have to manage people and also maintain a good relationship with them while also having a strong standpoint in all the situations.
Entrepreneurs are the ones who initiate and undertake an economic activity. Entrepreneurs establish an enterprise, work for self, set goals and achieve them.
There are many qualities, but to highlight, firstly, good communication, as it will help the entrepreneur to convey their message to the audience clearly. And secondly, I would say consistency, as it will ensure that the entrepreneur is putting hard work and efforts.
Two of the most important qualities that I think an entrepreneur must have. First, I think the entrepreneur must have the risk-taking ability. Whenever you start up a new venture or you start something of your own, risk is involved because you're doing something new, you're trying to solve a problem and risk will be involved. So you must not be scared to take risk. And the second thing which I believe is whenever an entrepreneur is faced with a new problem, he or she must not panic, and whatever resources are available with them, they must try to solve problem using those resources and come up with innovative solutions to solve that problem.
According to me, they has to have a cool head all the time. They have to be a leader, should be street smart while also being creative in many situations, and also someone who knows when to quit. It is really very important.
Qualities required for an entrepreneur includes appreciating the feedback and learning from the experience. A successful entrepreneur gives due importance to feedback that they receive from the environment and upgrade or modify their goals if needed. Entrepreneur may make mistakes, but their strength lies in learning from the experience and not repeating the mistakes. Another important quality is your team building capability. A successful entrepreneur knows the key to build a committed team. It is very important to have a complete understanding of the strength or weakness of all the team members, which will help in delegating the right job to right candidate. All the team members should be made aware of the company's goal. Appreciation and rewards to deserving members is an integral part of a successful team building.
There are many qualities which are important for an entrepreneur, but according to me, some of them are passion, self-confidence, ability to take risk, a good planner with true sense of professionalism.
An entrepreneur who inspires me would be Malini Agarwal. She is the owner of Miss Malini India. I really admire her leadership skills, her creativity, and the way she presents herself.
An entrepreneur who inspires me the most is Sudha Murthy. She is the chairperson of Infosys Foundation and she is a social entrepreneur. And for me, I've always been a person who wanted to work for the community, who wants to help people. And she is my perfect role model because the way she works, the way she carries herself is really, very impressive. And I admire to be like her. I would love to have a few qualities that she has.
An entrepreneur who has inspired me is Ritesh Agrawal. He has founded Oli Rooms in 2015. He is first Asian candidate to win 20 under 20 Thai Fellowship in 2013. He is also world youngest CEO at the age of 17. He is an Odisha boy coming from a business-oriented family. Went to Kota to pursue his career in engineering, but unlike the others, his passion caught hold on him. At the age of 16, he got selected for the Asian Science Camp. He, with a fortune for being the traveling and have to live a tons of hotel, he observed a common problem in all the places wherever he has stayed. That they have very high budget price of the hotel room, which was not proportional to the facilities provided by them. He felt that the hotels in India does not satisfy the basic need of a travelers on budget. He started his first venture with Oracle Stay in 2012. By taking the feedback and learning from the experiences, he has gradually modified it to OYO rooms. OYO rooms means on your rooms, which was initially consisted only the budget hotels, but gradually it expanded with thousands of hotels back in home across more than 80 nations, and now is one of the most prominent entrepreneur in the world. He has taken the feedback, learned from his experience, taken all the measures for a successful entrepreneur, and he is now in world's most famous entrepreneur.
There are many entrepreneurs who inspire me, but if I have to name one, it has to be Dr. Siddhant Bhargava, who is the founder of an app, Food Darzi. He is a very good leader and innovator and always updates himself on the current trends of the market, which really inspires me.
Arpita Ganesh. She was the founder of Buttercup, which was started in 2008, and she has been my inspiration since then. Like, she started this phase of life after having 10 years in some another area of expertise, and that really inspires me a lot. Thank you.